Welcome everyone. Today, we're going to discuss how to do Facebook marketing effectively. With over 2.8 billion monthly active users, Facebook is a powerful platform for businesses to reach their target audience. Let's dive in. 1. Create a Facebook business page. The first step is to create a Facebook business page. This page is where you'll post content, manage your marketing strategy, and interact with your audience. 2. Set clear goals. Identify your business's goals and create a clear plan for achieving them. For example, you could aim to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, or generate leads. 3. Create engaging content. The key to successful Facebook marketing is to create high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. This could include images, videos, infographics, or written posts. 4. Optimize your image. Ensure your profile picture, cover photo, and thumbnail images are optimized for Facebook. This will help improve your page's visibility and make it more appealing to users. 5. Use Facebook ads. There are various options available for promoting your business on Facebook. You can use Facebook ads to target specific demographics, showcase special offers or promotions, or drive traffic to your website. 6. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and inquiries promptly. This will help build a stronger relationship with your audience and increase the likelihood of them engaging with your content. 7. Collaborate with others. Partner with other businesses or influencers in your niche to reach new audiences. You could run joint ads, host contests, or cross-promote each other's products or services. 8. Analyze and adapt. Regularly review your Facebook marketing strategy to assess its effectiveness. Use analytics tools to track your progress and make data-driven decisions to improve your results. In conclusion, Facebook marketing is a versatile and cost-effective way to reach your target audience. By following these tips, you can create a strong online presence and drive growth for your business. Good luck!